Welcome to Miss Valerie Can Help. I'll be making some simple guava juice. Normally I would make my guava juice with guava and pineapple or guava and ginger, but I don't feel like guava and pineapple and guava and ginger today, so I'm just going to do some guava with lemon juice and my lemon juice and sweeten with a little brown sugar to taste. All right, so I'm gonna blend my guava. I'm gonna pour my guava. You have to strain it so you can get the seeds separated. You have to separate the seeds. It's very thick, so you have to make sure. Oops. Separate the seeds. Pour a little more again. Okay, when you're doing your straining, use a strainer that has a little bigger holes. This one that I have is very fine, so and the guava juice is very thick, so you have to use a little bigger one to get the liquid out faster. But my strainer is very fine, so it takes a little while to get it out, but you can just knock it on quick. It will just separate the seeds because you don't want the seeds get in, so you just use a spoon and just stir it around and get all the seeds in the middle. Then you just knock it, and then you just draw off the seeds. Okay, I just had a quarter cup of lemon juice to the mix, and because it's so thick, I'm just gonna add some more water to it. But you can add your water based on how thick you want your juice to be. See? Nice and creamy. It is so refreshing when you make it and put it on the fridge. You can just have it nice and cool, just like that. It's very refreshing. If you have pineapple, you can blend the pineapple juice, or if you have the tin pineapple juice, you can add it to your guava juice as well. Okay, and add a little ginger or lemon juice. Okay, add some sugar. To your mixture. If you want it very sweet, it's up to you. If you don't want it sweet, you can just do it lightly. And give it a stir. Nice. Okay, I'm going to pour over some ice. Okay. And I'm going to garnish with some lemon. Okay. Would you like some? Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.